everyone, I'm Vikramjeet and I'm here to present my CPI 101 Tech Talk on the topic self-repairing materials. What are self-repairing materials? Materials that can regenerate themselves without any human intervention are known as self-repairing materials. These are able to repair cracks, scratches, uneven surfaces, and even preserve the aesthetic appeal of the material for a long time. So these can do so by creating new bonds between the broken parts. However, in the recent times, another approach has been tried that grows the materials into the cracks, which repairs them. So these materials can repair themselves automatically over time and can also prevent micro cracks from appearing, which are a major problem in airplanes. These also retain the aesthetic appeal of the material or the structure for longer. These materials have certain advantages over the regular materials used today, such as a significantly improved structural reliability, which means that the structure can last even longer than the regular structures nowadays due to the repairing of the microcracks mentioned before. These have reduced maintenance costs due to the non-replacement of the parts and also reduce the waste since the parts need to be changed quite infrequently because the parts repair themselves. These also improve the lifespan of devices and structures, and in the case of transportation, increase safety by a lot, and also reduce the manufacturing costs as the factories can improve their yields quite a bit. So current examples of this technology include the LG G Flex 2. It is a commercial example and was launched by LG in 2015, and it's the world's second bendable phone. The first was the LG G Flex, but it didn't feature this technology. So it's a proprietary technology that is present on the back of this phone and prevents cracks or micro abrasions from appearing on the back. It repairs them by some speculate to be hydrogen bonding, and although it is great, but it cannot work on deeper cracks or scratches. So, newer research in this field includes a material designed by MIT scientists that can react with carbon dioxide in the air to grow, strengthen, and even repair itself. It does so by making a thin layer of carbon over it, which gets thicker with time. And there's also some work to be done, such as replacing the chloroplast from which the material was synthesized with artificial catalysts that could achieve a similar effect. The potential applications, however, are really clear. It can be used in various ways, like you could use this as a building material that fixes itself while countering the excessive CO2 emissions, which are a great problem nowadays. It might function as a coating for other products too. Could also be economical, as construction crews could shift the material in liquid form and make panels out of it at the building site. Here are my citations, and thank you.